Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a tutorial or a demonstration on how to use a photo editing tool called ipiccy for Judaic instruction or staff development. So let me first give you a demonstration on how this thing works. So here was an original picture I had on my computer, which was a picture of a sukkah in the desert. That was the original. And I transformed this picture into this picture. I resized it, I cropped it, I gave it a name over here, and in a moment I'll show you how I did that, okay? So using ipiccy. Now you also can make collages with different layouts through ipiccy. So in this case I created a 4-part layout, and in the upper left we have a picture of sukkah in the military. Here's one on a truck. Here's a sukkah in an apartment building, and here's a sukkah made of Legos. All right, so how do you do this? I'll show you how you do this. Well, if you want to have your pictures loaded in their website and make collages, you have to have an account. So I already created an account. Let me just sign in. And I'm going to stop this for a moment while I sign in, and then I'll show you how to make the modify pictures and also make a collage. I'll be right back. Shalom Chavarim, we're all back, and I am logged in. And we're going to show you how this thing works. So let's first upload the original picture of the sukkah. Okay, we're going to discard this, and we'll get to the original picture of the sukkah, right? Here it is. And what we're going to do is we are going to modify this. So what can we do? We can resize it, right? And we can make it big or small by moving like this and like this, okay? We can, don't forget to hit apply. We can crop the picture by just changing the dimensions here. See that? Maybe we'll make this a little higher. Maybe we'll make this a little lower and wider. Whoops. Let's get that right. That looks all right. And don't forget to apply. And we can change the colors, we can change the hues, we can rotate the picture. I mean, there are all kinds of things that we can do. We can change the contrast, right? And we can change the brightness if we like. We could make it into, no, I'm not going to. We can make it into a black and white, etc. So you can play around with all these different photo editing tools, but there are a couple of things I actually did want to show you. In addition, the first thing I wanted to show you is I want to show you how you make a frame. So if you want the frame to look like this, you want it to be wider or smaller, don't forget to hit apply. The other thing I wanted to show you is how you write text. So you click on the T, you see this T over here? And in this box to the left, you see this box over here to the left? You write something like, this is a sukkah in the desert, right? And you could change the size of it, or you can change the color of it. So you have lots of different choices. Let's see, how would that look? Well, let's say that we like that. You just move it where you want it. Okay? And when you're finished, you hit the save icon. See this icon over here? You just hit it, save. You want to combine all the layers because we resized it, right? That's one layer, and we also had cropped it, and we wrote a text, and you combine all layers, and then you simply just save it to your computer. And you give it a new name. This was a modified, we'll say modified sukkah in the desert. It certainly isn't the original one. And you may want to say ipiccy. Okay, and you just save it. Okay, so there it is. Now let's show you how to create a collage. Okay, so you have lots of different choices of layouts, right? Well, for simplicity, let's choose this layout over here. And you want to add some images. So we click on images, and we upload images that we want to utilize. So let's go over here, and we want to upload, let's see, the military one, the Legos one, and the apartment one. Okay, and I think the mobile one. So let's see if we can upload all those images. Yes, we can. And then you simply place the image in the box that you want. Okay, so I think this was down here. And if I'm not mistaken, let's see, the mobile one was here, and the apartment building was here. And when you're finished, you hit the check. Okay, and you simply download it by hitting save. Okay, and you save it to your, you can name it, right? Collage of Sukkot using ipiccy.com. Well, maybe it won't want to. And then you just save it to your computer, right? And that's how you are able to utilize ipiccy to be able to modify your photographs and even make collages. Thank you so much for your listening and watching my screencasts. Thank you. Bye.